matututo eh.
Diba? Sabi ko na eh.
Hi.
Hi.
Welcome to my live, Jam.
Welcome also to my live. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Your hair looks great on you, by the way.
Oh, thank you so much.
Where
Thank
are
you
you
so
from,
much.
Jam?
I'm from Philippines. How about you?
All right. Me, I'm from India.
Okay, nice to meet you again.
You wanna come to my country?
I don't know yet. I don't know. I haven't been in another country yet.
I will let you try our best street food here.
Oh, maybe when I come there, I will do let you know.
What do you do in life, Jam?
No, I'm just keep guessing because my account has been restricted for a few weeks.
Oh, do you mind me sharing the reason why you get restricted? Why is that?
Oh, the TikTok says I look younger than my face.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, that's pretty weird reason, but can you move a little back? Like, I want to see your OC. Wow. Yeah, you look very young,
Yes.
How old are you, if you don't mind me asking, Jam? How old are you?
Oh, really? Do you speak Filipino?
What do you mean? You speak Filipino?
No, you. I'm asking you.
No, only the thank you word because my friend went to Philippines and we're planning to visit Philippines this summer and he's trying to teach me some Tagalog words, yeah.
Oh, are you lying? Are you lying to me? Because someone came here to my live and they said that you can speak Filipino.
I don't get it, I only say salama po, like that one only, yeah. And I would love to learn more very, very, very soon, Once I get my flight, going to Philippines this summer, I will see a lot of friends there also.
Oh,
And
you're planning to come here?
yeah, this summer. Next month probably,
For
probably.
what reason?
What is it?
For what reason?
Vacation, vacation.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's nice because our
Yeah.
country is for a tourist.
And, I'm planning to study also, not sure, study medicine, study medicine in Philippines.
Tapos
What do you mean? Like,
anong gagawin mo next?
I don't get it. You're saying something, yeah. What is it?
Oh, they keep saying that you talk Tagalog. I don't know who to translate.
No. The only thing I learned is just the thank you word, yeah.
Yes, can you let me know what words do you learn here? What words do you know?
Wala pa nga gusto ko matuto
Diba? Sabi ko na eh. Kasi sa ano pa lang eh, ano yung tawag dun sa pag-pronounce ng words. Pero anong talagang lahi mo? Yes, guys.
Half ako. Jam, half ako.
Ano?
Half.
Kasi ang dami pupunta dito, sasabi nila Tagalog ka.
Yun yung mga walang magawa sa buhay.